Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to review the traditional living in Daniel climate change by Akrahil. This tech address one of the most important issues of our time, climate change. The speaker explains why many people are aware of climate change but still choose to ignore it and why this attitude can be dangerous for our future. At the beginning of the tag, Equity discusses the concept of Daniel means refusing to accept a reality even when there is clear evidence. According to the speaker, many people know that climate change exists, but they often think that is someone else's problem or that it will not affect them directly. Because of this mindset, they do not take action to help solve the issue. The speaker then explained how climate change is already affecting our world around the globe. We are witnessing rising temperatures, more frequent heat waves, floods, frogs, wildfires, and melting glaciers. This environmental change are not just scientific facts; they are realities that affect millions of people every day. Farmers face difficulties growing crops, communities suffer from water shortage, and natural habitats are being destroyed. One point that I found particularly interesting is how climate change impacts our daily life. Many people think climate change is a distant problem that will only affect future generations. However, the speaker emphasizes that its effects can already be seen today. Extreme weather events are become more common. Food price can increase due to poor harvests and health problems related to pollution and heat are rising in many parts of the world. Another important message in TEDx track is the role of human behavior. The speaker argues that one of the biggest obstacles to solving climate change is not a lack knowledge but a lack of action. People often continue habits that harm the environment because they believe their individual actions do not matter. However, Economics reminds us that collective change starts with individual responsibility. The tech also provides hope and practical solution. The speaker encourages people to adopt environmentally friendly habits. This include reducing waste, recycling materials, conserving water, using energy efficiently, planting trees, and supporting sustainable practice. While this action may seem small, they can have a significant impact when millions of people participate. What I kill most about this tag is that it focuses on awareness and responsibility rather than fear. Instead of simply highlighting the dangers of climate change, the speaker motivates the audience to become part of the solution. She encourages people to educate themselves, talk about environmental issues, and inspire others to take action. In my opinion, this TEDx Tech is both informative and inspiring. It teaches us that ignoring a problem does not make it disappear. Climate change is a global change, and every individual has a role to play in addressing it. The encourages us to know from denial to action and from awareness to responsibility. The biggest lesson I learned from this trading stay is that the future of our planet depends on the choice we make today. If we continue the ignoring warnings and used to, the consequences will become more severe. But if we acknowledge the problem and work together, we can create positive change and protect our environment for future generations. To conclude, living in Daniel climate change by Kalahili is a powerful and provoking tactic. It reminds us that climate change is real. Its effects are already visible, and dealing the problem only make it worse. So the speaker encourages us to take responsibility, make sustainable choices, and contribute to a healthier planet. This track is an important reminder that every action counts and that together we can make a difference. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.